Hello, welcome back into my another video. Today we are going to knowing about how to import data in Power BI. So let's get started into our video. First things first, we need to open our Power BI in desktop and then which I can options and setting and connect to Power BI. So go to here file options and then go to here option and settings. Click here and go to options. And it will appear in 3 seconds. Here is our options has come and we are not going to Power Query Editor. We are going to Python scripting. Here is this Python scripting file, Python script options. Seeing this, if you install your Python and it automatically load the data in Power BI. So when it's done, we have to now click OK. And when it's okay, we are going to Google Chrome. So open the Google Chrome and here is our website Seaborn. We are going to import the Seaborn tutorial of the Power BI. Power BI actually want to Seaborn to connect. So here is go to tutorial sections and here is the more and more data. I have selected data. So click here and introduction to Seaborn. Click here and then scroll down it. Here is the data. Scroll down. How to import Seaborn. Here is this tips. And here is this load an example data set. So we are now copying this data and then go to Power BI and click here get data from another source. So click and then it will pop up. Here is this get data. We are searching Python scripting. Python script. Click here Python script. When you install Python, it automatically redirect and click connect. And here is the script option. We are going to import Seaborn. So right here, import Seaborn as SNS and paste your data and click OK. And here is this connecting. Please wait while we establish a connection to Python. When it's connect, it automatically pop up. Here is our navigator options come, means our data has come. If you see the data, so click here this table and here is our data. Click this signs option and load it your data. And that data is loading in a few moments. Here is this load options. If you are offline, you can also download your data and load your data. It is the Power BI magics. The data here is this 244 rows loaded. Our data has loaded and working it and you can easily visualize your data. Here is your data tips day. Here is your tables here and go to table view. You can see these how many tables we need. Here is seeing row 1 of 244 means 244 rows are available in these rows. So we are going to report view and you can easily visualize your Power BI and make your interactive dashboard. This is my video. If you interested my video, so subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon button and get more videos. Assalamualaikum.